Good day. My name is Eugene Campbell. I'm a certified business coach from the ECCR group. I want to talk to the business owner that's just about ready to give up. You haven't been able to pay yourself for a while. The banks say no, the funders say no, and you're just wondering, why am I doing this? First thing I want to say is don't quit. Here's a couple things that you should do. One, you really need to have a realistic business plan, case for support, that you can use to move your business forward. Secondly, I always recommend to people, instead of going out and you're trying to get funding from companies you don't know, start locally. Start right in your community. Reach out to your local bank, your local foundations, your credit union. Even ask the bank that you have your accounts, in what ways can you help me? And the third thing I would say, and I want to talk specifically to the business owner who doesn't have any employees, you have to adopt automation delegation systems so that you are working to grow your business and your business is not consuming you, which you have to do everything. You have to do the marketing, you have to write the grants, you have to do the sales, you have to do everything. You should embrace automation delegation systems. So what I would suggest is give me a call at the link below, and welcome to the ECCR group. Our business is to make sure your business stays in business.